We take the last part northwards under the wheels. The landscape is still a hit, the streets though less. The tar is in places only marginally left over, and so we drive well shaken through the area. Peter has got his hands full behind the steering wheel. Again and again he has to avoid the worst holes, and that creates an almost meandering driving experience. It is great in the hills, as it is like a roller coaster going always up and down. And here it is sometimes so steep that in the hot summer months, when the tar is very soft, the vehicles literally dig fairways in the tar. Finally, we reached Dondo. We were glad because we really had to refuel now. And we were lucky. At this gas station there was diesel. And as always, when a gas station has got diesel, there was a huge chaos immediately, because everyone hurries to get hold of at least a sip of the precious fuel. It's clear that the trucks are not that popular. We fill up too much. But possibly arising displeasure from some drivers is immediately arbitrated by the employees. With a full belly, say tank, we then had a rummage for a night camp and found a location nearby the new road. The next morning we drove back to the village once more. Globi had another hole in the shoe. How he does that again and again, it remains a mystery. The good thing, though, was that the boys could mend this in no time at all without disassembling the tires. We thought that was pretty great. As real professionals, they managed that in about 10 minutes. A little bit of air and off we go. The climate is so high producing that even streets can overgrow in no time. The area with the many baobabs also has many turns, which is not always easy for the truck drivers. We overtake here and there the heavily loaded colleagues and get sometimes warnings of danger, like, for example, of this truck with a breakdown. Unfortunately, it doesn't look good for this truck. He seems to have slipped and has turned over. Thank goodness, there was already help. There is no one left in the cabin. What's going on there? So much smoke, and then we can see it, a slash and burn. That's not so easy and needs to be well controlled. The landscape is changing and becoming more barren. We now drive west towards the sea and want to spend Christmas holidays on the beach. Many travelers had told us about this hospital lodge with campsite, and they were completely right. It was just wonderful.